Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey there, Bikers Club community. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to every rider's heart. Have you ever wondered why we prefer the open road on 2 wheels instead of 4? Well, buckle up as we explore the unique allure of motorcycles and why they hold a special place in our hearts. Freedom of the open road. One of the main reasons we love motorcycles is the unparalleled sense of freedom. Unlike being confined within the walls of a car, riding a motorcycle exposes you to the elements and connects you intimately with the road. There's a unique joy in feeling the wind rush past you as you navigate the twists and turns. Sensory experience. Riding a motorcycle is a full sensory experience. The roar of the engine, the vibration of the bike beneath you, and the sense of the surrounding environment create a symphony that enhances the overall journey. It's a connection to the road that goes beyond just getting from point A to B. Maneuverability and agility. Motorcycles offer a level of maneuverability and agility that cars simply can't match. The ability to effortlessly weave through traffic, take tight corners, and explore hidden paths provides a sense of control and excitement. It's a dance with the road that car drivers might envy. So, whether it's the freedom of the open road, the sensory experience, or the unmatched maneuverability, there's something truly special about the bond between riders and their motorcycles. We want to hear from you. Why do you prefer motorcycles over cars? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of two-wheeled passion, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more from Bikers Club. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.